Last year, I think China, the electricity consumption increased by 6 to 7%, which is not insignificant given the base is really very significant. I think for this year, our forecast is more or less similar at a similar level. But I think more importantly is the amount of renewable energy investment in China. Now, last year, the total renewable energy investment in China amounts to more than 300 gigawatts, which is actually more than the total renewable energy investment around the world outside China. You can see this really significant investment and growth pace in China. So our CLP's target actually is to double our renewable energy portfolio in the medium term, by 2029 up to 6 gigawatts. So you can see our target actually is modest as compared with a huge base. So we are quite confident in the China market. There are ample opportunities, and we look for value rather than quantity. So we'll target for really good projects to invest.
With the rise of AI, of course, there's going to be need for more electricity to power those data centers. What type of growth in demand are you expecting in this sector, and how are you catering for that?
Yeah. Now, obviously, I think with different kinds of AI, in particular like DeepSeek coming out, the interest is even higher than before. And we do see a lot of investment in AI right now. For example, in our Hong Kong market, the overall electricity consumption growth last year was about 2.1%. But in particular, in data center sector, we did see much higher growth, up to 8.6%. So the total data center consumption in Hong Kong already amounts to 5.7% already. So it's quite a significant portion. And we do see this trend will continue. Now, obviously, in Hong Kong, because we are a vertically integrated utility, so we'll fully support the Hong Kong government to develop the industry, in particular in Northern Metropolis, because it will be a technology hub in order to generate further growth for Hong Kong economy. Now, in other parts of the world, for example, in other markets like China in particular, we also do see this growth. But in those markets, we are mainly a generator. So our focus actually is to develop, continue to invest in clean energy, because a lot of data center operators, they want to have green energy in order to decarbonize their operation. Mm-hmm. So we do see the demand for clean energy is increasing.